Get the Z value based on due date. Ito na. No? Z value based on due date. I hope you still remember the formula for the Z value ng inyong statistics na subject. So, Z value dito ko na lang ilagay para maalala ninyo. Z value is equals to X minus mu all over sigma. Now, ano tong X? So, X stands for specific na number. In our case, X stands for our due date, which is 140. 140. Then, yung mu, yung nakuha natin na projected na 134. No, based ito doon sa mga naunang mga computation, of course. Ito yon 134. Divided by our standard deviation. Welcome everyone to our next topic. So for this presentation, we will discuss all about PERT, or PERT stands for Program Evaluation and Review Technique. So that is what PERT is all about. No, ayun yung abbreviation niya. PERT, mas mahaba. Program Evaluation and Review Technique. So this is used if the time periods are estimates and are probabilistic in nature. Meaning, ang pinagkaiba talaga ni PERT and ni CPM. Si CPM, ginagamit siya for the activities or for the projects na predetermined na ang kanyang mga activity time, kung gaano katagal siya gagawin, no? Determined na. Ito, hindi pa. Ang binibigay sa atin is time estimates lang. Time periods lang, estimation lang. Ito yung kung makaka-encounter na kayo before ng mga terms like optimistic time, pessimistic time, probable time, or some other books call it as the most likely time for specific activity to happen, kung gaano siya katagal. Ayun yung binibigay sa atin ni PERT. Now, again, pinagkaiba niya, ito is estimation, CPM is exact yung value. Now, let's have the example para mas ma-appreciate ninyo. So, ang example natin for this topic is all about body shop. If you're familiar with the company, as far as I know, this is a foreign company. Sa mga babae, yung iba sa inyo, I hope alam ito, the body shop. Okay, example natin si Roger, which is the project manager of body shop, and he is tasked to open a new branch in Bacolod as part of the company's expansion program at the earliest possible time. Ayun, yung task niya, no, for expansion sila sa Bacolod, and he was able to determine the sequence of the activities and the time estimates. Ayun yung binabanggit ko kanina, guys. When we say time estimates, these are optimistic time, probable time, and pessimistic time. In days needed to finish each activity, buti naman, no, determined na nila yung mga estimates na yan. The figures of those time estimates are summarized in the table on the next slide. The question is, when is he going to finish the project? What is the critical path? Ayun yung question. No, so for the activity table, we have here our activity A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I. Ayun yung mga activity natin. And predecessors niya, for activity A, walang predecessor. Yung iba, no, yung mga activity, tig-isa. Ang merong dalawang predecessor is si activity G, which is D and F. Si activity I naman, no, dalawa din, same with G. Pero ang predecessor ni I is G and H. So, ito yung pinagkaiba nila. Sa CPM before, nakalagay dyan, no, activity time, yung duration na agad. Dito nakalagay optimistic, probable, or pessimistic. Kung papansin niyo, check natin sa activity A. Optimistic time, 24. Ang probable, 25. Pessimistic niya, 32. So, kung papansin niyo, lahat ng optimistic time dyan is mas maliit kaysa kay pessimistic time. When we say optimistic time kasi, ito yung time na, halimbawa, pag tinanong mo yung optimistic na tao, no, Gaano katagal natin kayang gawin itong project na to? Madali lang yan sir. 24 lang yan. 24 days lang yan. Kasi madali lang naman yan gawin. Sanay na yung mga tao natin. Okay yung machine natin for that. Yung mga equipment natin. Madali lang po yan. 24 days kaya yan. Yun yung sagot nila. No optimistic. Pero pag pessimistic yan, hindi sir, kasi nagkaroon tayo ng problema sa ganitong makina, kulang yung tao, umalis ng ganito. Tapos mahirap kasi yung ganyang activity na yan sir. Yung search location, ayun pala yung activity A, no? Yung paghahanap ng location, matagal yan. Abot yan sir, mga 30 plus na araw. 32 days, pwede na yan sir. Yun yung pessimistic time. Kaya kung papansinin nyo, karamihan dyan, mataas ang pessimistic time. And mababa yung optimistic time. Now, probable, hindi ko naman sinasabi na laging gitna ito, laging average ng optimistic and pessimistic. Hindi ganun. No? Though may chance na ganun yung nangyayari. Pero kadalasan, between optimistic and pessimistic time siya. Now, not exact na gitna. No? Hindi gitnang-gitna. So, ito yung tansya-tansya, no? Gitna lang. Ito yung kumbaga sa magkakaibigan. Ito yung go with the flow kung anong decision ng marami dun sa. Parang ganun, no? Neutral lang. So, description nila for activity A is searching for the location. Activity B is request for bids. Activity C is to award to contractor, yung bid na yon. Activity D is to determine the total budget. For activity E, start na ng construction. Hiring ng staff for that branch ng body shop is for activity F. Activity G is yung advertising na nila na magkakaroon sila ng opening. Then, magdi-display na sila ng stock for activity H. And last activity I natin, ito yung finish ng project ni project manager. Pero start pa lang talaga ng operation ng ating location, ng bagong branch, which is yung inauguration ng branch. No? Once na ma-inaugurate na yung branch, that will be the end of the project na ito. So, I have here the nodes. No? Kung papansinin yung mga letters na. So, ito yung nodes natin. Ganito yung format na ginamit natin. Same with our CPM before. No, not necessarily na ganyan yung pagkaka-arrange. Pwede yung baguhin. Kung gusto nyo, pa-circle din sila. Pwede rin yun. No? Pero nakakahili yun pagdating sa arcs. No, yung mga connection. Nagko-cross-cross na sila. Pero pwede yun kung gusto nyo. Kung gusto nyo mag-experiment. Let's start first, guys, sa ating computation ng estimated time. No, kasi dahil nga tatlong time na to, gawin nating isa. No, so, let's start the computation for our expected time. Yan, i-copy ko na lang ito. Para dito tayo. Ayan. Dito tayo gagawa ng ating computation for our expected time. Then, delete natin ito. Tapos, itong project next one. Dudugtungan na lang natin itong table. Okay, ayan. Formula, again, no? Expected time is equals to A, which is the optimistic time. Lagyan natin dito ng labels para meron din dito. Anong kulay yun? Green. So, this is A. Then, plus 4M. Yung M is yung probable or most likely. Ito, gitna. Then, this is the B. So, A plus 4M plus B divided by 6. I-extend muna natin itong mga lines na to. Ayan. Okay. So, 24 plus 4 times 25 plus 32. Divide natin ito to 6. Okay, next we have 13 plus 4 times 20 plus 21 divide 6. I hope you have your calculator with you, no? Para makasabay kayo. 4 times 20. Sorry. This is 10. No, 10 plus 17 divide 6. Tama ba ang formula natin? Okay, tama naman. So, proceed lang. We have 27 plus 4 times 30 plus 33 divide 6. Constant yung 4 and 6, no? 37 plus 4 times 45 plus 47 divide 6. Next, we have 33 plus 4 times 40 plus 41 divide 6. Next, we have 28 plus 35. 4 times 35 plus 36 divide 6. Next, we have 12 plus 4 times 15 plus 18 divide 6. Next, we have 2 plus 4 times 5 plus 8 divide 6. So, our expected time, lagay natin dito. Expected time. I-calculate nyo, no, isa-isa. I hope meron kayong hawak na calculator ngayon para makakasabay kayo. The expected time of those activities are 26. This is 19, 11, 30, 44, 39, 34, 15, and this is 15 no, again, 5 ko. Ayan, baliktad ko na lang. And 5. So, ayan, meron na tayong mga expected time. Now, itong mga expected time na to, ito na yung gagamitin natin tulad nung paggamit natin sa mga activity time na binigay doon sa ating example for the CPM na discussion. So, sige, let's try to transfer itong mga expected time na to sa ating network diagram. So, for the A, it is 26. Parang malabo, no? Gawin na lang natin. Parang, hindi makita. Pwedeng block na lang ito. Kaso, yari pagdating sa network. Sige, block na lang. Medyo malabo na. F, E, this F, this is H, and I. So for A, that is 26. For B, 19. For C, 11, 30, 44. 11, 30, 44. Next, for F, 39, 34, 15, 5. 39, 34, 15, and 5. Okay. Now, dahil okay na tayo, meron na tayong mga data for the expected activity time, gawin na natin yung usual na ginagawa natin, which is ang ating tinatawag na forward pass and backward pass. Okay, so for forward pass, start tayo with letter A na activity. This is 0 plus 26. That is 26. By the way, wala pa pala, no, hindi pa pa natin nako-connect yung mga predecessor. So, ito, i-connect muna natin sila. A, wala siyang predecessor. Itong A. Ang B daw, A ang predecessor niya. I hope kita ang black dito. Okay naman, kita naman. And, okay na to. For the C, predecessor niya is B. So, pababa ang network. For D, predecessor niya is A. So, pag ganyan siya, na-connect. And for E, C, same with F. Predecessor ni E and F is C. So, itong C, konektado kay E. And connected din siya kay F. Next, si G, predecessor niya is D and F. So, ito, D and F. Next, H naman, predecessor niya is E. Pababa. Lastly, we have I, predecessor is G and H. So, G and H. Now, dahil connected na sila sa mga arcs natin, ituloy na natin yung naudot na forward pass. So, we have 0 and 26 na earliest finish. So, since 26 yan, magiging 26 na rin dito and dito. So, 26 plus 19, this will be 45. Sa D, 26 plus 30, this will be 56. Since ito yung earliest finish ni activity D, ayan yung magiging earliest start ni activity G. So, 56. Hindi pa pala muna tayo pwedeng mag-decision dyan dahil merong F. Dalawa ang predecessor pala ni G. No? So, ito yung mga gantong errors na pwedeng nyo na-encounter ko ngayon. No? Huwag kayo mag-aagad-agad ng bigla-bigla na ililipat nyo. Buti nakita ko na may isang araw. So, check muna natin. Kung 56 naman talaga, edi okay, maganda, walang bura. Pero kung hindi, palitan natin, no? So, for now, proceed tayo muna dito kay B. Kasi wala pang data for F. Wala pa kasi ito. So, B tayo. Earliest finish niya is 45. Therefore, ang magiging earliest start ni C is 45. Plus 11, this will be 56. Ayun. 56 dito, no? Copy ang earliest finish ni C. Ayun ang magiging earliest start ni F and ni E. 56 din. So, 56 plus 44, this will be 100. Then, 56, ito na yun, plus 39, this will be 95. Now, since ang earliest finish ni F is 95, tapos ang earliest finish naman nito ni D is 56, ang rule natin, ulitin ko, when we say forward pass, ang ginagawa natin, yung pipiliin natin is yung mas maliit. So, 95 versus 56. And, of course, that will be yung pipiliin natin is mas malaki kasi nga forward pass tayo. Hihintayin natin matapos muna si F. No, kasi predecessor siya ni G, same with D. Yun nga lang, natapos na si D nung on the 56th day. Naka-day ba tayo? Yes, naka-day. 56th day. Eto, 95th day pa siya matatapos. Therefore, for the earliest start ng ating G, this will be 95. So, buburahin natin yung error natin kanina. Okay, magiging 95 yan. Then, 95 plus 34. 95 plus 34 is 129. Okay, itong H, itong I, no, ganun din siya. H saka G. Unahin muna natin itong H. So, 100 ang earliest finish ni E. So, magiging earliest start yan ni H, 100. Plus 15, this will be 115. Now, 115 tsaka 129, ano yung mas malaki? Kasi forward pass, no? Isa pa yun, no? Madalas tayo nalilito doon. Huwag niyong kakalimutan. Pag forward pass, mas malaki ang pipiliin. Pag backward pass, mas maliit. So, for forward pass, 129 versus 115. So, pipiliin natin yung mas malaki na 129 as the earliest start ng ating activity I. So, 129 plus 5, 134. Ayun. Ibig sabihin, 134 days matatapos yung buong project. No? And since 134 yan, 134 na rin ito. Tapos, pabalik na tayo. 134 minus 5, this will be 129. Oops. 129, ayun na rin yung magiging latest finish dito. And dito. No, pabalik. You imagine lahat ng araw bumaliktad. Now, 129 minus 15, this will be 144. 129 minus 34, this will be 95. Next, ito tayo muna sa H pataas. 114 to, so copy. 114 ang latest finish ng activity E. Minus 44, that will be 77. Next, for activity G, dahil dalawa yung nakakonekta sa kanya, kopyahin natin itong 95 dito for F and dito for D. So, for F, 95 minus 39, this will be 56. For D, 95 minus 30, this will be 65. Next, dito tayo sa C. No, dahil dalawa naman sila, 70 versus 56. Again, pag backward pass, mas maliit ang pipiliin. Therefore, ang magiging latest finish ni activity C is 56. So, 56 minus 11, this will be 45. Then, itong activity B na connected kay C, magiging 45 din yung LF niya. Minus 19, this will be 26. So, 26 versus sa 65 na nakakonekta kay A, mas maliit ulit, which is 26. So, 26 minus 26, this will be 0. Now, mag-change ako ng color ng pen. Mag-gawin kong white para makita ninyo yung relationship ng mga critical path. Okay. To solve this slack, yung dalawang nasa kaliwa ay minus, or kung ayaw nyo ng kaliwa, kanan ay minus. So, 26 minus 26, this will be 0. Slack ng activity A. Meaning, part siya ng critical path natin, itong activity A, and bawal siyang madelay. Dahil once na madelay siya, isang araw lang, delay buong project. So, for B, this will be 0. For C, 0. Itong E, 114 minus 100, or 70 minus 56. This will be 14. Okay. Next, itong D naman, 95 minus 56. Or, yung kabila, 65 minus 26. So, ang slack natin for activity letter D is 39. Medyo malaki, no? Medyo malaki yung slack nila. 39 days, isipin mo. 39 days, kahit itenga mo isang buwan, okay lang. Yung activity letter G. Now, for the activity letter F, 0 ang ating slack for this. Same with activity G. For activity I, 0 din. For activity H, ito is 129 minus 115 or 114 minus 100. So, this will be 14. Ayan. Meaning to say, i-connect natin ngayon yung mga 0 na slack, mga activity na merong 0 na slack, and they will be the critical path natin. No? So, A and B, parehong 0. So, white ang critical path ng white color. Okay. Then, for C, ayun, connected. F din, no? 0 din. Tapos, G. And, I. Ayun, ay yung mga critical. So, lagay natin dito, A, B, C, F, G, and I. Critical path natin yan. And yung buong project ay matatapos ng 134 days. Ayan, I hope nakuha nyo. And we're done with the first question. Tingnan natin yung tanong ng problem, no? When is he going to finish the project? So, ang sagot dito is 134 days. Critical path is yung kanina, A, B, C, F, G, I. Nasagot na natin yung tanong ng ating problem. Ayan. Kaso, hindi pa tapos. No, may continuation pa. May sobra akong slide. Burahin natin yung sobrang slide. Okay. Okay, kaso hindi pa tapos yung problem. Na meron pa daw continuation si Body Shop. Hindi pa siya okay. So, sabi niya dito, Roger, the project manager of Body Shop, yung kanina din ito, was informed that the project must be finished in 140 days. Ayun lang. No, 140 days. Hindi siya problem kasi tayo ang na-compute natin is actually 134, edi pasok, no? Hindi siya tulad nung ating problem sa previous discussion natin, nagkulang yung oras, no? Kailangan nilang mag-rush, kulang yung time. Ito, sabi niya 134 matatapos based sa ating network, tapos meron kadugtong yung problem, kailangan daw nilang matapos within 140 days. Mukhang kaya naman, no? Pasok naman. Ang tanong, what is the probability that he will finish the project on time? Yun lang, yun yung kakaiba sa tanong natin ngayon. No, mayroon ng tanong regarding the probability. Kasi nakikita natin kaya siya, abot siya. Pero yung probability, gaano kalaking percentage? Para mas kumpiyansa tayo, lalo na yung top management, na matatapos talaga on time yung project. So sabi niya dito, determine the probability of completion. And sige, tulungan nyo ako na ma-compute natin yung probability of completion. So for the steps ng computation ng ating second na part ng ating problem, for the first step daw, compute natin yung total time, or this stands for mu kapag gagawin natin siyang variable. Total time is mu of the critical path. Yung critical lang. So mamaya, i-check natin yan, no? Pangalawa, compute the variance and standard deviation, which is same yung ating mga symbol dito sa statistics. When we say variance, that is sigma squared. When we say standard deviation, that is sigma of the critical path lang. Take note, no, ang pinapakompute hindi lahat ng activities, kundi yung mga activities lang na kasali sa critical path natin. For the third one, compute the z-value based on due date. I hope you're still familiar with the z-value, the standard normal distribution curve, and the table based on due date. Again, ang due date nila is 140 days. Lagay natin dito. And fourth step is to determine the probability of completion, or P of X, based on standard normal distribution table. So those are the 4 steps, and let's start the solution. Start natin. Expected time variance. Now guys, i-check natin kasi ito, bilugan natin yung mga critical. Or dito na lang, dagdag na lang tayo. Yes or no na lang if critical. Lagay natin kung critical sila. Dugtungan na lang natin. Gagawa sana ako ng next na table. Pero itong table kasi pwede na idugtong na lang natin dito para ma-solve natin yung continuation na problem. So, critical. Question natin, critical ba yan? Yes or no? Yes or no lang naman. Ang critical natin is A, B, C, F, G, I. So, i-check natin yung mga yun. Or yes na lang. A, B, yes or no na lang, Y, and N. A, B, C, tapos F, G, I. F, G, I. Ayan. Then, itong dalawa is no. And with this one. Ayan, critical siya. Bakit ko ginawa ito? Dahil kung papansinin nyo, yung mga steps natin, sabi niya, puro critical lang. Yun lang yung kukunin natin na total time. No, total time. Ito yung expected time daw. Yung critical path. Tapos, variance. No, check natin. I hope you have your calculator. A. Ano yung expected time ng A? That is 26. Or ito na lang. Kunin na lang natin dito. 26. Bilugan na lang natin. Tapos, ano pa yung critical? Ito. 19, 11, 39, 34, 15. Ang total ng critical, let's have 26. Kuha yung calculum. Nagko-compute ako ngayon. 19, 11, 39, 34, and 5. That is 134. Chinek ko, guys, kung equal. Kasi dapat laging equal yan. Kung ano yung makukuha natin sa dulong node, kahit man part 2 ng critical path or hindi, Basta kung dulo niya, itong 134 na yan, pareho yan sa total expected time ng lahat ng ating critical node, no, or critical activities. Kaya kahit ito lang yung inad natin, 34 yung lumabas. No, kapag inad natin itong mga hindi critical, mas mataas to of course, pero mag-iiba siya dito. Lalagpas. Ayun yung one way of checking. So, 134, which is ito yung na-foresee natin na 134th day is okay na yung project. Tapos na. Now, ano yung next na pinapakuha? Okay na tayo for step 1, no? Total time ng critical path. Variance naman and standard deviation daw ng mga critical path. Now, for the variance, ang formula ng ating variance, dito ko na lang ilagay sa bandang baba. Burahin natin ito. For the formula of variance, ito ang ating formula. May natira pa. Variance of time or this is sigma squared. This is actually B minus A. Yung dulo-dulo, pessimistic minus optimistic over 6 squared. No, so, ito minus ito over 6 squared. Now, ito yung formula. Guys, if you want to do it yourself, pwede naman. Pero dito hindi ko na isa-isahin dahil kulang ang ating space. Direct na natin sa calcu. No, so, we have 32 minus 24 over 6 squared. That will be 1.7778. Variance ito. Ayan. Next, 21 minus 13 over 6 squared. 1.7778. Next, variance. Kunin ko muna guys yung variance ng lahat, no? Kunin natin. 17 minus 9 over 6 squared. This is 1.7778. Pare-pareho sila ng variance, no? Next, for this activity D naman, 33 minus 27 over 6 squared. Ayun, this is 1. For activity E, 47 minus 37 over 6 squared. So, ito na, iba ng konti. 2.7778. For activity F, we have 41 minus 33 over 6 squared. 1.7778. Activity G naman, we have 36 minus 28 over 6 squared. Pareho ulit. Tatlong 7 tapos 8. Next, activity H, we have 18 minus 12, that is 6 over 6, that is 1 squared is 1. Okay, number I, number I to lang. Nahilo na, no? Activity I, pessimistic, 8 minus 2, that is 6 over 6, that is 1 squared, 1 pa rin. Ayan. Next, okay, check natin yung steps. Nasaan na ba tayo sa steps? So, okay na. Compute the variance and standard deviation of the critical path. Pero napakasipag natin. Kinuha natin lahat. Hindi lang yung critical path. Compute the z-value based on due date. Ito na. No? Z-value based on due date. I hope you still remember the formula for the z-value ng inyong statistics na subject. So, z-value dito ko na lang ilagay para maalala ninyo. Z-value is equals to x minus mu all over sigma. Now, ano tong x? So, x stands for specific na number. In our case, x stands for our due date, which is 140. 140. Then, yung mu, yung nakuha natin na projected na 134. No, based ito doon sa mga naunang mga computation, of course. Ito yun, 134. Divided by our standard deviation. Na yung standard deviation natin, saan natin makukuha ang ating standard deviation? Ang standard deviation natin, sabi, i-total natin yung variance muna, no? Kasi ang variance is just the same with standard deviation. Ang pinagkaiba lang nila is naka-square yung isa, yung variance. Kunin natin yung total na standard deviation, na variance ng lahat ng mga critical path. So, ano yan? Ito, and ito, tapos ito. Then, square natin, that will be our standard deviation. So, kuha kayo ng calcu, 1.7778 times ilan yung 1.778? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 5, tapos plus 1 na lang. Ayan. Then, square natin yung answer. Ayun. Square root nyo yun after 3.1447. Square ulit muna natin. Hindi ko na isulat eh. So, 9.889 ang total for the variance. 889. The variance is equals to the ating standard deviation. Kunin mo lang yung square root niya. So, magiging standard deviation na siya. So, meaning, square root natin ito para maging standard deviation siya. And that will be 3.1447. 3.1447. Ito yung magiging denominator natin. 3.1447. Yan. Now, if you perform this simple calculation, bibigyan niya tayo ng 1.91. No, I hope na kuha nyo. And itong 1.91, if naaalala nyo pa, sana meron pa kayong copy dyan ng Z-table, yung puro numbers na pinapa-photocopy nyo. Ayun po iyon. No, yung 1.91 doon, i-drawing ko na lang. I don't have my table with me dito sa PowerPoint. Pero ito yung 0 nun. Tapos, table tayo. No, ito. Ganitong table. Sana naalala nyo pa and sana okay pa kayo kung paano nyo tinitignan yon. No, 1.9. Meron dito around 1.9. Hindi ako nagkakamali. Ganyan yung positioning niya. Tapos 1, 2, 3 hanggang kung ilang number. Hanggang 9 yata. Yun kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Tapos, kung ano yung point dito, 1.91, dapat makuha mo yung intersection nila. Kung ano man yung nakasulat dito, ayun po yung kukuhanin natin. No, Z-table lang, standard normal distribution na table. Kapag ganun, no, using the table, ang katumbas ng 1.91, guys, is actually 0.9717. Or, if we turn this into percentage, this will be 97.17%. This is now the probability of completion na tinatanong dito sa ating problem. Ayan, probability of completion, sagutin na natin siya. 97.91%. Probability of completion. Kasi kitang-kita naman, no? Napakalaki naman ng chance, no? Kahit di tayo mag-solve statistically. Nakita natin, 134, matatapos na siya. 134 days. Ang due date, 140. So, we still have 6 days enough para sa ating mga kung ano mang yung negativity na mangyari, na may allowance tayo. And, kapag ganun, statistically speaking, that is equivalent to 97.91% probability of completion. Thus, meaning to say, Roger should expect that there is a 97.91% chance that the project will be finished in 140 days. So, I hope you get it. Ayun ang ating end ng ating discussion ngayon regarding the PERT, Program Evaluation and Review Technique. So, I hope everything is clear with you guys and sana natuto, no? So, see you again on our next presentation if meron pa. Thank you guys for your time. Thank you always for your participation. Keep safe lagi. See you online on our next discussion. Bye-bye.